Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you guys how to fix Wi-Fi option not showing in Windows 11 PC or laptop. You just need to follow me. So firstly, click on Start menu. After then click on Settings. From Settings menu, please click on System and from right side, please click on Troubleshoot. After then click on Other Troubleshooters and select Network and Internet and click on Run. It will automatically fix your problem. If still your problem, go to network and internet, click on advanced network settings, click on network reset, and after then click on reset now. Click yes. It will also fix your problem. So close this window. After then click on settings, then Windows update, advanced options, optional updates. You can check here if your network driver download is here. So you can download and install. Close this window. Now you need to go to taskbar and type over there terminal and click on run as administrator and copy and paste here this code which you've got in my video's description. Paste anyway. After then you need to restart your PC and its problem will be solved. Hope this video tutorial helpful for you. So please like the video and subscribe the channel for next videos. Thank you for watching.